Good evening everyone, I'm Anshul Agrawal from class 10th. Firstly, I would like to thank Major Subhash Sasne sir for giving me amazing opportunity to learn about NDA basics. I recently completed this SSB interview course. I found this course very insightful. The way the complex topics are broken down into simpler topics are appreciable. The course includes 49 short videos which includes the SSB course, day 1 to day 5. Then we have the types of commissions and eligibilities. Then about medical and fitness, rank structure, where are the headquarters. Everything is covered in the course. Interesting part which I found was that 15 officer-like qualities, which helped me a lot to boost my confidence, to boost my strength, to boost my positivity, to boost my mindset, and etc. Now in 10th, I feel much more prepared for the ND. This course is highly useful for the students who are from the 6th to 10th and are ambitious regarding their career NDA.